Introduction: JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON is a popular data format with diverse uses in data storage and communication. Why? JSON provides a simple and efficient way of transferring data between servers and web applications in text form. It is text-based, making it readable and easily parsed using JavaScript's native JSON.parse method. Syntax: JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation syntax. Data is in name-value pairs. Data is separated by commas. Curly braces hold objects. Square brackets hold arrays. Data types: JSON supports the following data types: string, number, object, array, boolean, and null. Using JSON.parse, the JSON.parse method parses a JSON string, constructing the JavaScript value or object described by the string. Using fun, the JSON.stringify method converts a JavaScript object or value to a JSON string. Tips, tricks, and common pitfalls. JSON names require double quotes. JavaScript names don't. The JSON.parse method returns a JavaScript object, which can be stored in a variable, and the values accessed like any JavaScript object. Be careful with JSON.stringify. It can transform complex objects like date into unwanted results. JSON is not JavaScript. It is a text format that is completely language independent. Conclusion: JSON is a powerful tool for working with data in JavaScript. Understanding how to use JSON is essential for any developer working with web technologies. Mastering its use will make your applications more efficient and reliable.